Tesla seems to be working and growing at an unprecedented rate, which makes one wonder, how are they managing to do it? Perhaps they have a secret weapon or a secret formula. Well, they sure do, and it's not what you would think. Get ready to have your mind blown by Tesla's amazing robots. Welcome to Tech Heaven, and in this video we'll be taking a closer look at the technology behind Tesla's secret robots. When it comes to Elon Musk, ambition might just be his second name. The Tesla and SpaceX CEO makes big promises, but the amazing thing is that he actually is able to keep them. What's even better is that long ago he promised that he would even be automizing a lot of the work in his factories, and he certainly did not lie. Machines working on machines sounds very futuristic, but let's face it, the future is here. Tesla's robots. When you walk into the Tesla Motors production floor, there are a lot of things that will surprise you and immediately grab your attention. But one thing in particular is that you will find robots working on the production lines. Where previously you would have seen factory workers working hard to assemble, dismantle, and put together various parts, you now have these huge 8 feet tall robots that look like transformers. In fact, there are more than a few of these robots in the production area, and the people who work at Tesla have fondly been referring to them as their colleagues. How cool is that? The workers at the Tesla factory have even said that they have been encouraged to treat the robots as their colleagues and have even given them names. Each of the robots have been named after various X-Men. That sounds like something Musk would approve of. Let's take a deeper look at these fantastic robots who are the driving force behind the production of Tesla's newer car models. Whenever a factory is trying to achieve larger scale and increase the production, it is a no-brainer move for them to turn toward automation. But if you are Elon Musk, just any automation will not do. Now that Tesla is moving all of its production under its huge gigafactories, they have vowed to hire as many as 10,000 people into the factories. But along with them come some amazing robots. There are quite a few robots you will find all throughout the gigafactories, hailing out their human counterparts, and that is what is truly amazing. The types of robots you would find at the Tesla factory would be autonomous indoor vehicles. These robots, unlike others, are self-navigating and move around on their own. Unlike other robots you would probably find working at the plant, these little robots do not require to be caged or follow any kind of floor magnets and navigation beacons. The robots already have in them a digital map that they make use of in order to navigate the area and move around freely without bumping into people and various obstacles. The sensors in the robot are able to detect a person or obstacle from quite a distance, and therefore it moves away from them or around them. These are primarily used for moving around materials between the different workstations. What's even better is that they are totally customizable to whatever is needed. When the factory was open to visitors who could come and see the amazing work and how the production happens, the little robots were also programmed to say to people, "Welcome to Tesla." You will find a lot of these robots at the automaker's Fremont factory. Fun fact, they even once modified one of these robots to look like the character R2-D2 from Star Wars. By the way, if you're watching us for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can enjoy our future videos while getting updated. Getting back to the topic, one particular model that really stands out is the Adept Lynx that has been designed to handle a workload of up to 19 hours. That's quite impressive. This robot really does it all, and even sets little timetables for itself. The real secret formula that has been found in the Tesla factory, though, has got to be the Cooker robots. It is these robots to whom Tesla owes much of the credit for the production of their Model S and Model X cars. The robots were created by the German industrial manufacturer Cooker Robotics. Just like the other robots you would find at Tesla, it has been named after the X-Men superheroes. The sole purpose of these robots is to perform several production line duties on the new Model 3, like holding, loading, welding, laser, spot welding, and other various tasks that they could customize later on. These are also being called the alien robots by the CEO. He has previously stated that they will be a part of an alien dreadnought and will bear most of the task of building a Model 3. People who have toured the factory have seen these amazing giant robots in action, and if the reports are to be believed, then the factory is going to set up and commission 467 of these robots. In fact, insiders have even said that when you come towards the assembly line area, you will see the KUKA robots just spread out everywhere, waiting to be installed and used. One of the workers have even stated that it looks like a huge army of red robots, and we cannot disagree. The KUKA robots are estimated to cost between $50,000 to $500,000. It is said that Tesla has spent about $50 million on the robots, which should tell you just how important this kind of automation is to the company. It is said that the Model 3 is set to be the cheapest Tesla electric vehicle yet, and will be priced somewhere around $35,000 mark. This kind of a price can only be achieved with cost savings. And seeing as the company has turned to automation for this model, we can see exactly how and why they have been able to do this. The use of these robots will increase precision and quality, and reduce the human workload, and significantly reduce any kind of errors. The fact that Tesla is using these huge robots for most of the production of Model 3 is indication that they plan to have a large-scale production as compared to the previous models, since these acts are so much more affordable, and they are hoping that sales will be as high as they are anticipating. Another type of robot you would probably find would be automated guided vehicles. These robots at the plant are the ones that require floor magnets and navigational beacons in order to move around the production floor and carry on their tasks, unlike the autonomous ones who make use of the digital map that is inbuilt. If you were to visit the Tesla factory to have a look, you would find these robot types moving battery modules and power walls at the Gigafactory. Lastly, the heavy-duty robotic arm. This robot is more often used in Tesla's Fremont plant. Although Tesla is using more and more of its KUKA robots, you will surely be able to find some of these as well. You would probably see this huge robot on the production line, and they are equipped to handle a payload of up to 700 kilograms. However, the use of robots, especially the KUKA robots, has been heavily criticized by many, saying that the over-automation of anything can never be good. Tesla has made mass orders for robots, and especially the KUKA robots. No one currently has access to the plant, as it is off-limits, but it is said that they are using the robots even in the final assembly line. The company has spent a lot of cash on this endeavor, and we can only hope that it pays off for him in the end. It doesn't look like Tesla plans to reduce automation anytime soon. Tesla is trying to achieve two things in this ambitious use of robots, that is to create its highly anticipated, cheaper and fully autonomous cars, and also have machines working on machines. And hopefully one day the factories could not be 100% but 90% autonomous as well. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. What do you think about the robots at Tesla? Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.